visited Ayiravillippara on 5th September 2022 with my friend Radhakrishna Pillai. Ayiravillippara is in Cheriya Velinallur on Ayur Kottiyam road in Kollam district. It has been 83 days since the protest satyagraha by the locals against the government's permission to mine the rock spread across more than 100 acres. Ayiravilli is home to the centuries-old tribal culture. Here you can still see the temple and places where Adidravida people used to worship. The trek to the top was by climbing stairs and a slippery rock. The rock presents us with beautiful views. Since hundreds of people live around it, it is necessary for this rock to exist. The people for better society had complained to the Chief Minister and the National Green Tribunal against the mining operation. A message was also received from the Chief Minister's office that he has forwarded the complaint to the Land Revenue Commissioner and the District Collector for action. Coincidentally, the Collector also came for the field visit on the same day we visited. I got a chance to talk to Collector Afsana Parveen. It is alleged that the mining mafia and the shills of the Revenue Department have tried to prevent the Collector from inspecting the rock through the right path. In any case, the natives duly intervened and she visited the rock as a whole and said that she will give a report soon. People have high expectations. People say that they will not surrender to the greedy monsters. It is very important to see the unity of the public is not broken. This agitation needs support of all people who love the nature. I request all of you to kindly visit this beautiful Ayiravilli rock when you get time. Thank you.